वेलकम। फूड टेक्नोलॉजी के यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फूड प्रिवेंशन एडल्ट्रेशन एक्ट 1954 एंड दिस एक्ट इज आल्सो अमेंडमेंट इन 1964, 1976 एंड 1986. Act, an act to make provision for prevention of adulteration of food, be it enacted by Parliament in the 5th year of Republic of India. Introduction of Food Adulteration Act. The act was promulgated by Parliament in 1954 to make provision for the prevention of adulteration of food along with the prevention of food adulteration rules 1955, which was incorporated in 1955 as an extension to the act broadly. The PFA Act cover food standards, general procedure for samplings, analysis of foods, power of authorized officers, nature of penalties and other parameters related to food. It deals with parameters related to food additives, preservatives, coloring matters, packaging and labeling of foods, prohibition and regulation of sales, etc. Amendment in PFA rules are incorporated with the recommendation made by the Central Committee of Food Standards, which has been set up by central government under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, comprising members from different regions of the country. The provisions of PFA Act and rules are implemented by the state government and local bodies as provided by the rules. Next, different definition of food adulteration, misbranding, etc. are described in the Act Section 2. In which section? Section 2. It's important. Center is empowered to appoint an advisory committee called the Central Committee for Food Standard, and it is in Section 3. In any dispute, an adulterated sample need to be examined by the court. The Central Food Laboratories give its final opinion on the subject. These four laboratories are located in first Calcutta, second Ghaziabad, third Mysore and fourth Pune. There are approximately 82 food laboratories. How many? 82 food laboratories in the country at district, regional and state level, working for the purpose of the Prevention of Food and Adulteration Act. Power are given to the state government to appoint public analyst and food inspector who control the food supply, storage and marketing of foods. It is the duty of inspector to draw and dispatch sample to a laboratory. The central government is empowered to define the standards of quality, control, overproduction, distribution and sale of food, packing, labeling, licensing and controlling the food additives. What is the role of central government in PFA Act, Prevention of Food Adulteration Act? The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is responsible for ensuring seafood to the consumer. The enforcement of the act is done by the state and union territory governments. To review the provision of PFA Act 1954, rules and standard in consultation with the Central Committee for Food Standards, a statutory advisory committee under the act and its 9 technical subcommittees. 9 technical subcommittees, note down. To conduct examination for the chemists for their appointment as public analyst under the act, to organizing training program for various functionaries under the act, to approve the state PFA rules, to examine, approve the label and infant foods, to evaluate the monitor progress of implementation of the act in state by collecting periodical reports and spot visits, to liaise with national and international food quality control organizations such as Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Fruit Product Order, that is FPO, Courts Alimentary Reliance Commission, CAC, World Trade Organization, WTO, to ensure quality of food imported to India under the provision of Act, to create consumer awareness and to augment the food testing laboratories. There are advisory committee in PFA Act. First, Central Committee for Food Standards, Central Food Laboratory, Public Analyst, Food Inspector. Central Food Laboratories. Central government has established 4 well-equipped laboratories with experienced personnel in food analyst at Kolkata, Ghaziabad, Mysore and Pune. Functions: analysis of samples sent by officers of central government, fixation of standards and quality control parameters for food articles, collaboration work with state laboratories for analysis standardization. Many of the state government have their own laboratories for food analyst by public analysts who work in collaboration with central laboratories. The central government prescribe procedure, fees to be paid for analysis, performer to be used, etc. And next, Central Committee for Food Standards. It is constituted by the central government. The function of Central Committee for Food Standards is to advise central or state government on all matters arising out of administration of this act and also for carrying out their other functions. Chairman: the Director General of Medical and Health Service, Government of India. Important. The total number of members of the committee is not indicated. The committee can frame by law, constitute committees and meet as when required. Duties of public analyst. On receipt of sample, public analyst confirm the authenticity of the sample sent by comparing the seal on it. He keeps the sample in safe custody before, during and after analysis and preserve it for submission into court as when required. He carries out the analysis using approved method, record the findings in specified manner and inform the food inspector about the analysis. The public analyst should also be in touch with the central food laboratories for the purpose of consultation and dissemination of knowledge. What is the duties of food inspector in PFA Act? To inspect establishment for license for manufacture, storage or sales of food article, satisfy the condition and provision of act are compiled with, to make enquiries on receipt the complaint about the quality of food and conduct inspection accordingly, to procure the sample of food and send to public analyst as and when required, to investigate into matter of specific complaint and given in writing, to maintain the record and inspection properly and keep inform higher authorities about inspection. There are important rules in PFA Act also. Permitted color in foods: chlorophyll, caramel, beta carotene, annatto, coal tar, dyes, saffron and curcumin. The color content should not be more than 0.3 mg per kilogram of food material. Antioxidant permitted in food: tocopherol, ascorbic acid, lecithin. Preservative permitted in foods: class 1 common salt, sugar, dextrose, glucose, syrup, vinegar, honey and edible vegetable oil. Class 2, note down, class 1 and class 2 very important: benzoic acid and salts, sulfurous acids and salts, nitrates and nitrites of sodium and potassium, sorbic acid and salts, methyl diacetate, sodium, potassium and calcium salts of lactic acid. Not more than one class 2 preservative is permitted. Important. No nitrate or nitrite preservative to be added to infant food. Very important. The food inspector functioning beyond the scope of this act is liable to the penalty of ₹500. Procedure for sampling and analysis. Any food inspector can enter and inspect any place where any article of food is manufactured or stored or for sale, where any adulterant is manufactured or kept, and take samples of such article of food and adulteration for analysis. Notice will be issued by the inspector in writing then there to the seller indicating his intention. 3 samples are taken and the signature of the seller is affixed to them. One sample is sent for analysis to public analysis under intimation of the local health authority. The other 2 samples are sent to the local health authority for the reference. In addition to PFA Act, their law enacted time to time in India are as follow. First, Essential Commodity Act 1955, Standard of Weights and Measure Act 1976, Consumer Act 1986, Agriculture Produce Grading and Marketing Act 1973, Indian Standard Institution Act 1952, Bureau of Indian Standard Act 1986, Fruit and Vegetables Product Order FPO, Meat and Food Product Order MFPO, Milk and Milk Product Order MMPO, Solvent Extracted Vegetables Oils and Control Order. These are very important, and here also very important. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं इनके ऊपर भी वीडियोस बनाऊं तो मैं इसके ऊपर भी वीडियोस बनाऊंगा. बाकी आपको अगर ये चैप्टर पसंद आया हो तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए, चैनल को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए अगले इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर की नोट्स के लिए. थैंक यू.